Hello and welcome to 2760 Sacramento. This top floor condo comes with one car garage parking, which is included. It has 3 large storage rooms, 1 private, 2 shared, an amazing rear yard with beautiful swim pool. The swim pool is for the occupants in the building and is heated. Here we are in the unit. This is currently furnished. You have one big closet in there. Walking down the hallway just a little bit to the left is the first bedroom. This is a very spacious bedroom located off the street. This unit is actually located towards the back of the building, so it is very quiet. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout, gas heating, lots of natural light. Here is another very large closet, and this goes all the way back. This unit is currently being used as a 1-bedroom, but it is a converted 2-bedroom. Here is the kitchen. Lots of cabinet space here. Gas range, dishwasher, refrigerator. It's been recently renovated, and there's plenty of space here for seating. In the back porch, you have private laundry machines. These are full-size laundry machines. Additional storage up top. Wonderful living room. This is used as a dining room, but there are doors. Beautiful French doors. And it is open to the kitchen. This room is used as a living room, but this is the converted 2nd bedroom. Has a fireplace. Nice, beautiful space with lots of natural light. This overlooks the yard area and pool. Finally, I'm going to show you the full bathroom. There is a closet straight ahead and beautiful bathroom with tub and shower combination. There is a skylight. And there you go. If you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.